In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickFunnel page. We're going to walk through the simplest and most reliable way to get a new page up and running, even if you're just getting started. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to save your work so your page is ready to share. First, once you're inside your ClickFunnel account, look down to the bottom left of your screen. In that sidebar, you'll see an option called Workspace Settings. Go ahead and click on Workspace Settings. Think of this section as the control center for everything that lives inside your workspace, including your pages. When the Workspace Settings area opens, look through the menu and select Pages. This is where all of your existing pages are listed, and it's also where you'll create new ones. Take a second to get familiar with this screen because you'll be coming back here often as you build more funnels. Now, to create a new page, click the New Page button. This is your starting point for building anything new. As soon as you click it, ClickFunnel will prompt you to choose how you want to begin. You'll see an option to choose a page template or to start from blank. If you're new or you want something quick, templates are really helpful because they give you a pre-built structure that you can customize. If you already have a design in mind or you want full control over every section, choose Start from Blank. Either way is fine, and you can always change the content later in the editor. Next, you'll be asked to enter your page details. Start with the name. This doesn't have to be what visitors see publicly. It's mainly an internal label that helps you recognize the page inside your workspace. Use something clear and descriptive so you can find it easily in a list. Then set your page URL. This is the path that comes after your main domain. For example, /my-page. Keep it short, readable, and relevant to what the page is about. Avoid using spaces or special characters here. Simple words separated by dashes usually work best. Once you've filled in those details, ClickFunnel will open your new page in the page editor. This is where you customize the layout, text, images, and any other elements. Take your time making changes and preview as you go so you can see how everything looks. When you're happy with your changes, make sure you click Save. Saving locks in all your updates so you don't lose any of your work. And that's it. You've created a ClickFunnel page using the simplest workflow.